You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me. And I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey y'all. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and most people call me Jess. And welcome to my channel, Jess Living Life. So y'all done seen, okay, by the first couple of clips, this house is a mess, okay? So first things first, I literally had the most trying week at work, and it definitely reflects in the house, for sure. I still had groceries from the previous week that I hadn't put up. Like, it was just a lot. And so I did an overview so you guys can see, like, y'all, this is real life. And now I'm just in the pantry, giving this like kind of a once over. I'm not even like deep cleaning it for real, just making it functional right now for us and our family. And the kids like to basically have things that are grab and go, and that's what I'm doing on this shelf right here, just restocking everything. Nora loves these mandarin oranges and the applesauce. Aaliyah likes the Nutri-Grain bars and the granola bars. And then Carmen likes, which you guys will see in a minute, like the oatmeal pies, the Star Crunch, stuff like that, popcorn. She's a huge fan. And so I try to make sure that I have all the kids with their own little bucket, so that way they can just grab their snacks when they want to. It's functional for us. You guys organize the way that you need to for your house, but this is just what works for us. So like I said, we're going to get this house clean because, y'all, the way this will tear up my anxiety with having the house cluttered, y'all have no idea. And so we're going to do all of this together. So if this is something that you would like to watch, definitely keep watching. And if this is giving you the motivation you need to go ahead and fold up them clothes, sis, that has been sitting in a basket in the laundry room, then let's do it together. Let's try and get as much done in this video together as possible.
Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court, me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hope still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me?
You'll see me throwing things. What seems like I'm throwing it on the floor, but I'm really not. I have 2 huge boxes from what the potato chips were in. And so I'm just filling those up so that way when I go to the trash, like I'm not having to take multiple bags. I can just take the boxes because a lot of the things that I'm taking out are able to be recycled. And so 1 box is for recycling and 1 box is for just trash. And so you'll see me sort that here.
On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. Ooh, it's my time.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, ooh. just do it my way. God is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love, and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. I forgot you love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift to 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days, no break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever, and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, yesterday they yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love, and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. I don't eat, can't sleep at 9 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel wrong again. Can't feed them, just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. I forgot you love me. You love me. You love me.
Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own 2 eyes to see. 'Cause always make you think you going crazy. Something in the way they lie, manipulation. No more patience. 'Cause there's a million things that I'd rather do than to be fishing for truth. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for?
So I'm going in with this little scraper. I had the easy off. It's sitting on the stove for a little while now. And so I'm just going to start scraping everything that's on the eyes off. Like you can kind of see it here. All of that like black stuff. Y'all know how it is when you're cooking and stuff gets caked up on the actual eyes. And on top of that, we have a new cook in the house. So Leah has been cooking. And y'all know how that is, child, when your child starts cooking. And so there's things on the eyes, and I'm just going to scrape all of this off. And y'all are going to see all the crap that was on these eyes in like a pair of seconds. Y'all, I'm so glad I'm using this little scraper because, baby, it made the world of a difference, okay?
Oh, you find it funny, lying straight through your teeth. That's your loss, it's not on me. 'Cause tonight I'm going out, work it out with a few dreams. One for the the day that I learned two for the bridges you burned three for the chances you had, and four for the bitches you bagged, and five for never being sad. No, one for the drama you caused. Two for the number of draws I felt. Three for the promises made, and four for the way that you break them. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Won't take no more. Am I in the twilight zone, or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Hey, can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. Every time we kiss, can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours? You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now? Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours? You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now? Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening. You know what I want, all of your love. Whoa. Makes the fellas go. Whoa. Makes the fellas go.
Oh, y'all, and just like that, y'all, the house is back clean. Y'all, I hope this video gave you all of the motivation that you needed, but that is going to be it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one. And talk to you soon. Bye.
In my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering on.